Just felt it necessary to wake the neighborhood up with a chainsaw serenade. Going on YouTube. I've had a couple of requests for video of the Homelite. Got it up on sale on eBay right now, so it runs. Nice little saw. If it doesn't sell on eBay, I might keep it. That's all I need is another chainsaw. I have no shortage of chainsaws. 300 right there. I got the Echo 590 right there on a Granberg mill. A professional Promac 1010S. Obviously, got to have that. Then the Super 797 right there. And I've got two 1010 automatics torn down right now. Need to be gone through. That's what I'm working on. Well, one of the things I'm working on. One of the many things that I'm working on. But that Homelite was one of the chainsaws that I got in a bundle, in a trade. Got that 300 as well. I don't know what you can see in here. Probably can't see a whole heck of a lot. This is my other shit. I've got 4 motorcycles in here. 81 BMW R65, 72 BMW R75. I've got a CB6 750 over there, and then I've got a GL 1000. No shortage of projects going on. Plus all of my darkroom equipment, if I can ever build a darkroom. Probably give that stuff away, but just a whole bunch of stuff in here. These are a couple of the other chainsaws that I got in that. It's a Homelite Textron. I got a this is the Kirowitz Echo. And a couple of Poulins. And then another Homelite Textron. Again, no shortage of projects going on. But I had a request for that Homelite. Don't know if anybody is interested in buying it, but they just wanted to hear it run. And Arbor 45 Mackenzie. I think that's kind of like your brother's, isn't it? It's a cute little saw, if you can call a chainsaw cute. In a manly way, it's cute. All right. Easy automatic. I need to tighten up if I keep it. I need to do some work to it. Clean it up, replace some bolts, probably do some helicoils on bolt holes. Cute little saw though. Nice. I like it. The hard part about doing YouTube videos without a camera crew is, what do you do with the camera when you're not holding it, when you're trying to do something that takes 2 hands. All right. I don't know if you can see that or not. where you can see me. I might just keep it. That's just too nice. It might have to go in the collection. Shoot, where am I going to put all this stuff? I need a big shop. Alright. That means I need to get rich on YouTube or else win the lottery. But you all know how I stand on the lottery. Or I hope you know how I stand on the lottery. Not anything that's going to happen anytime soon, so. Nice little saw. Where do I put it? All right. Oh, trip. Oh, it'll nestle in right there, nice and easy. All right. Day 21 plus 2. I don't think I'm going to keep that track count anymore. All right. It's just going to be a daily vlog. Whatever comes to mind. I was going to try to keep track of a whole bunch of different ideas for videos. I think I'm just going to do a daily vlog. Let me know what you think. If you like the idea, comment. Let me know. Okay? If you really like it, subscribe. One of these days, I'm going to get that button up. Figure out how to do it. Good Day Farms. Glad to have you aboard. Go to my homepage. Go to the About tab. You should be able to find my email address. Send me an email with your address if you're interested in that axe. Somebody's going to get it. I'm going to do something Friday. Friday I'm off. I'll be able to get it in the mail. But anyways, like I said, comment. Always comment. Let me know what's going on. Hit the subscribe button if you really like it. Give me a thumbs up if you really like it. And I'll see you later. All right, here's a picture of my back door.